Thank you for your business and congratulations on the purchase of your new Cheetah, the original bead seeding tool. To get started, open the box and remove the tank as well as all other supplied parts. You should have a tank, a discharge valve, a gauge, a threaded barrel, and a nut. Check through the box and packing material to make sure you have removed everything before discarding the package. Place the tank and all parts on a workbench for easiest assembly. Use Teflon tape on the discharge valve and thread it into the tank by hand. Be careful not to cross-thread the valve. At this point, you can tighten the discharge valve on the tank using a large wrench. When tightened, the handle of the discharge valve should be on the top and open away from the tank. Next, you can put Teflon tape on the gauge and hand tighten it into the tank. Use a wrench to tighten the gauge on the tank so the face of the gauge is facing up. With the nut already on the threaded barrel, thread the barrel into the discharge valve so the notch on the threaded barrel is facing upward. You don't need to use Teflon tape on the threaded barrel. Hand tighten the threaded nut on the barrel so the notch on the barrel remains in the upward position. Again, using Teflon tape, install the proper air connector for your air supply into the 1/4-inch fill valve and tighten with a wrench. You are now ready to use your Cheetah. You must elevate the wheel off the ground so the bottom bead of the tire is resting on the wheel. This eliminates any air escaping from the bottom bead. We recommend using the universal stand, part number 01.111. Open the 1/4-inch fill valve and fill the tank to the necessary pressure. Close the fill valve and disconnect the air line from the tank. Experiment with the air pressure. Too much air pressure is just as bad as not enough. Most tires can be done with 40 to 80 PSI. Connect your air supply to the valve stem. We recommend using the whip hose, part number 01.109. Rest the notch of the threaded barrel on the wheel and rest the Cheetah on your thighs at about a 45-degree angle to the wheel. Once the bead is locked on the wheel, turn off and disconnect the air supply from the valve stem. You can now place the tire in a safety cage and inflate it to the proper pressure. Do not drop the Cheetah. Drop damage will void the warranty. Place the Cheetah gently on the ground or in the optional Cheetah rack, part number TI-87. Leave the discharge valve open when not in use. Do not store air in the tank. Do not transport the tank with air in it. Do not discharge the tank in the direction of anyone. Regularly check the tank for leaks. We recommend replacing the tank after 3 years of service. You can also check out our full line of Cheetah bead seeders online at www.tsissg.com to see our CH-2, our CH-5 in both steel and aluminum, our CH-10 in both steel and aluminum, our CH-13 and aluminum, our CH-60 Big Cheetah, and our complete line of products. If you have any questions or operational problems or wish to inquire about accessory items, call your distributor or TSI at 800-223-4540. Again, thank you for the purchase of your Cheetah.